Okay, good day, guys. So today I will be teaching you how to use PixelLab because that is the app most users will be using for their design life. Why those who use or those who use iPhones will be using Canva, but most people use Android phones. So let us throw consideration into the app right now. But by the time we'll begin our designs, you'll be following up everything. But let me just throw quickly an overview so that you will get started from there. So what you need to do now is to go to your apps and search for PixelLab. Okay, this is PixelLab here. You click on it. When you click on it, uh, first of all, there are different tools in PixelLab that we'll be using. Let me throw a little explanation on all of them. The first one you can see, this is the this is just like the home profile. This place here, I'm tapping this is the home profile. Here, the one that has this A here, it is where you are writing. By the time you have written some text, everything will display there. By the time you leave this place and click here, the text you have written will nothing will be able to appear there again because it is not pointed on this very icon here. And this one here carries over other things such as the image size. Unlike this is the size or the background we'll be using. If you click on here, you can reduce it. This is 1 to 80 over 280. So if you want to check the width, depending on the type of image you are using, you cancel it and put it. Maybe you can put 200 over 150. You understand it? This is width. I believe you know the difference between the width and the height. So it depends on what you are designing that you get it. Now let us hurriedly come here. You see this plus by the top left hand side has different options there. This is text. If you want to write something, you click on it, everything will appear there. This is current update. This is stickers. If you want sticker, these are shapes. If you want shapes, you click on it. This is from gallery. That is to say, if you want to extract a picture to this profile here, when you click from gallery, your pictures will be displayed. Then you choose whichever you want and bring it here, and this is draw. For example, now the text, let's click text, and I can double click. There are two ways to open it. You can double click it. You double click it here, everything will open now. So let us write Araclare graphics. Araclare graphics. Okay, this is it. After here, you click it here. This is Araclare graphics. So remember what I told you, that the first A, you look at this sign that looks like A here, that has everything which involves text. Now if it is here in this place, look at this layer that looks as if they are lying, something is building on top of each other. There are no icons here that can give me what I want, so I will come back to this place here. These are all the things that are attached to the text option. So what I want to do is, if you look at fonts, if I want a different font, I can click here. You can see these are all different fonts. uh, these are all different fonts, and if this is a font I want, I click it here. This is Araclare graphics. This is what I want. And now uh this point here that looks like an arrow, if you have already done something, an error, you can click on this curved arrow. It will erase the error you did, that is, go back to what you have done earlier. If you check on this place here, this is what we call alignment point. That is to make sure that the text that you have typed is well aligned. You can click here that looks like a setting. This is a setting. When you click on it, you will be able to tick these lines to make sure if your text is well aligned. I hope you are following up. That's just it about this tool here. So if you click on here, this point here that I'm tapping, this point here, I click it again. There is different points that have been displayed here. You look at this one that looks like a padlock. If you click on it, locked, you lock this. If you click on it like this, that becomes straight, it has been locked. That is, this text has been locked and it cannot be shaken again. It cannot shift. Look at it here. Nothing can shift again. This text, I cannot shift it again unless I click on it back. I unlocked it, then I can shift it again. And also, look at this one that looks like a pencil. That is, if I want to edit it, I can click on it to edit. Look at this one that looks like an eye. If you click on it, the text will disappear. I did not say delete. The text will just disappear. Maybe it was covering you or you don't want to see it at that moment. For example, you click on it. As you can see, there's no text here again. It has disappeared. But if you want it back again, you click on the eye again. You can see it. It has come back again. So the last one is the delete. That's the delete point. If you click on it, this text will permanently delete from your designs. So that's it. If here it's just like codes, and there are different codes. Any code you want, an inspiring code that you like, you click on it, it will display. For example, you click here, look at the answers. You don't like to use a selected text. If it is okay, you want it, you click OK. Look at it here. This is what we have used. Okay, let us apply this and I told you earlier. You click on it, it went back. You click on it again. Look at the clear graphics I told you that we discussed earlier that appeared here again. Yeah, so here in this place here, I'm tapping. It is where to save your work. I will show you by the time we start our graphics design properly. If you click on it, they will ask you save as project or save as image. So let's leave that for the moment. By the time we begin our designs, I will show you better on how to carry out everything. So just keep attention. There's nothing difficult in this PixelLab. By the time we begin, I will carry you on very well. Thank you very much.